welcome to Starting Up. This week we come to you from the Sun and Sand Hotel here in Mumbai. We've got an action-packed show, including an exclusive chat with Silicon Valley legend Dr. Ramesh Wadhwani. Let's get straight to it. On the show today, a startup has built a new exchange. It's not a stock exchange, it's one for vehicles. MotorExchange.in on What's Your Story. We head over to TIE's Enterprising India for learnings from India's fastest growing startups. And finally, Chocoholics has some delicious treats for us on Elevator Pitch. Now, selling your car is no easy task. It takes far too long and you're never quite sure if you got a good price for it. Well, here's a startup that's looking at things innovatively, an approach that benefits both car owners and car dealers. Here they are on What's Your Story.
Now, exchanges exist for a whole number of things. There are stock exchanges, currency exchanges, and of course, exchanges for commodities. But what about an exchange for your used car? Well, that's what Vinay Sanghi, the former CEO of First Choice, India's largest used car chain, set up with his startup, Motor Exchange. It came from a pain point he saw in the Indian vehicle market.
The idea started from the fact that, listen, there's a lot of pain in the process of disposal for people or businesses which want to sell their cars. And the whole idea came from the fact that, listen, how can we make this process easier for sellers of vehicles? And also, we also felt a lot of pain in the process for dealers who wanted to buy used vehicles.
His idea was to set up a platform, one which brought together buyers and sellers in an online auction. In August 2009, with 4 crores of seed capital from both angel investors and his own savings, the exchange was born. On the seller's side are individual consumers and fleet owners from financial institutions, all looking to sell their vehicles. And on the buyer's side are car dealers looking to stock inventory. The biggest challenge that lay before the team, tying up with car dealers and signing them up onto the platform.
Buyers told us, listen, we'll never buy a car without seeing a car physically. So that was a big challenge for us. But you know, the team we had, our gut told us that, listen, buyers have got a pain point. They need to get inventory. So, you know, contrary to what our research told us, we actually believe that buyers would come online and bid for vehicles which are not even physically seen, but would require some kind of an inspection report on which basis they could make an educated bid.
The inspection report is all important, and here the Motor Exchange team carries out a thorough check under the hood. The gearbox, suspension and axles are all checked, and the car is spun around for a test drive. The results are penned down onto an inspection report which is scanned and uploaded. Once the certificate is uploaded on the website, online auctions are held every week, and over 1,000 dealers from across the country log on to bid for their favored cars. Many of them who have invested in broadband connections only to take part in these auctions. One such dealer is Automax, the authorized Mahindra First Choice dealer in the Mumbai suburb of Thane. He buys an average of 5 to 6 vehicles per month from the platform, and though it's 5% more expensive than his other sources, he still sees some clear value addition.
See, the best thing about the auction is the certification reports provided by Motor Exchange is very accurate. I can totally rely on their certification reports, which is very crucial for a used car dealer. Definitely they are higher, but see, based on my experience now, I am sure the cars which I procure from Motor Exchange will not be cheap cars. I don't look at cheap cars, I look at good cars.
While the platform offers the buyer a good buy, its priorities clearly lies with the seller. One such seller is Sadanand Gurav, who sold his car on the auction platform.
भाई गाड़ी 1,50,000 में बेचने का मेरा का ये था, इरादा था, तो मेरे का 140 तक प्राइस आ रहा था, लेकिन ये ऑक्शन कंडक्ट करने के बाद मेरे को 165 आया प्राइस, तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा.
1,25,000 rupees, सवाल, इंडिका टैक्सी, 5 नंबर होगा, 3 और 4.
Majority of the vehicles sold though are of institutional sellers, and Motor Exchange also hosts regular offline events to auction vehicles. The business model is one where the startup charges a transaction fee which ranges from 1.5 to 4% of the transaction amount. To scale the model further and expand its offering to consumer sellers, they recently raised their Series B of funding from Epiphany Ventures and Canaan Partners. The investors clearly being impressed by the Motor Exchange story.
So he understands the industry inside out. He has access to all the top auto, the OEMs, the dealers, and he understands how consumers think. The number two reason was that it's a huge market. It's, I believe the numbers are some $20 billion of used car transactions this year, going up to $40 billion in, I think, 2015 or 2016.
They have been auctioning 6,000 vehicles per month, and they project this to grow to 35,000 per month by 2015. With a revenue run rate of 3 crores per month, they have their sights on zooming revenues over the next 5 years.
Long-term goal is as I said, long-term goal of 2015 is to have $1.5 billion transactions on our system. That is our long-term goal.
So far, Vinay has been completely on the ball. There is no doubting it though, it's more sweat, toil and guts of steel that await him. He's banking on his tenacity on the playing field to see him through.
On the cards next is a marketing rollout plan to expand across the country, and you can be sure that all car dealers and owners will be keeping a close watch out for that. We'll take a breather here on the show, but coming up, his company's acquisition till date remains the largest in software history, an exclusive with Dr. Ramesh Wadhwani.